Kiwi power, a tiny fruit packs a big punch. Did you know that one small kiwi fruit has more vitamin C than an orange? Yes, that's right. This humble fruit surpasses the citrus giant in providing this essential nutrient. That's right, this fuzzy little fruit is a nutritional powerhouse. Not only does it boost your immune system, but it also supports skin health and helps in the absorption of iron. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to protect your body from harmful free radicals and keep you feeling energized. And guess what? Kiwis can help you lose weight. Their high fiber content keeps you feeling full longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Kiwis are low in calories but high in fiber. This combination makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain or lose weight. This means they'll fill you up without adding extra pounds. Incorporating kiwis into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to manage your weight. Plus, their unique enzymes can aid digestion. These enzymes help break down proteins, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Ready to learn more about this amazing fruit? Let's dive in. Stay tuned as we explore the many benefits and delicious ways to enjoy kiwis in your daily life. Slim down with kiwi fiber and low calories. Kiwis are not just delicious, but they are also packed with nutrients that can help you on your weight loss journey. Kiwis are your weight loss friends. They are low in calories and high in essential vitamins and minerals. One kiwi has only about 50 calories. This makes it an excellent snack option for those looking to shed some pounds. That's less than many snacks. When you compare it to other common snacks, kiwis come out on top for being both nutritious and low in calories. And with almost 3 grams of fiber, kiwis keep you feeling full. This fiber content helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber is key for weight loss. It slows down digestion. This means you stay satisfied longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. This prevents those pesky blood sugar spikes that can make you crave unhealthy foods. By keeping your blood sugar levels stable, kiwis help you avoid those midday energy crashes. Kiwis are a smart choice for managing your weight. But wait, there's more. They are also rich in antioxidants, which are great for overall health. Kiwis have a special secret. This secret lies in their unique combination of nutrients that work together to support your weight loss goals. This secret can boost your weight loss journey even further. Including kiwis in your diet can make a significant difference. Keep reading to find out. Discover how this small fruit can have a big impact on your health and weight loss efforts. The Kiwi Secret: Unlocking weight loss potential. Kiwis contain an enzyme called actinidin. This enzyme is a natural digestive aid. Actinidin helps break down protein in your body. This improved protein digestion can lead to better nutrient absorption. And when your body absorbs nutrients efficiently, you feel fuller for longer. Are you ready to uncover the special tip about kiwis and weight loss? It's coming up next. Section 4. Your Kiwi Journey. Start small. See big changes. Embark on a journey to better health by making small, manageable changes to your daily routine. Think about your daily diet. What small adjustments can you make to improve your nutrition? Could you use more fruits and veggies? Incorporating a variety of colorful produce can boost your overall health. Adding just 1 kiwi a day can make a difference. This small step can lead to significant health benefits over time. Try them sliced on your breakfast cereal. It's a simple way to start your day with a nutritious boost. Add them to your yogurt or smoothie. These delicious additions can enhance the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. You can even enjoy them as a refreshing snack on their own. Kiwis are convenient and packed with vitamins. Small changes can lead to big results. Consistently incorporating healthy habits can transform your lifestyle. Are you ready for the big reveal? Discover the impact of these small changes on your overall well-being. The secret to maximizing kiwis' weight loss benefits is just ahead. Stay tuned to learn more about how this simple fruit can support your health goals. Section 5. The Kiwi Revelation. Timing is everything. Here's the secret. Eat your kiwi after a meal. The actinidin in kiwis works best when consumed after you eat protein. So enjoy your kiwi as a delicious and healthy dessert. This simple change can maximize its weight loss benefits. Are you ready to embrace the power of the kiwi? Start incorporating this amazing fruit into your diet today. You'll be amazed by the results.